Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to do a SIM swap on MTN easily and safely. If you've lost your SIM card or it's damaged, the best way to do a SIM swap is by visiting your nearest MTN service center. Bring along a valid ID card and proof of ownership, like your SIM pack or previous recharge details. The MTN staff will verify your details and help you activate your new SIM card on the same number. If you can't go to a store, you can also contact MTN through their official Facebook page. Just send them a message on Facebook Messenger, explain that you want to perform a SIM swap, and they'll guide you through the process. Currently, MTN doesn't have a USSD or self-service option for SIM swaps, so visiting an MTN office or messaging them online are your only reliable options. And that's it. That's how you can easily do a SIM swap on MTN. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.